Good morning, Isaacwood Middle School families. This is Mrs. Rand wishing you good morning and ready to get our morning meeting for Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020 underway. This morning, I welcome you. We will have our Pledge of Allegiance, recite the Isaacwood Middle School Citizenship Pledge, observe a moment of silence, review some news and announcements, and end with our mindful moment to make us stay focused for the middle of the week. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now recite the Isaacwood Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I am responsible for all of my actions and behavior today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right, not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now observe a moment of silence. Now we'll go over a few news and announcements. These are some important updates for virtual learning. Students, if you are expected to attend your related arts classes in addition to your ELA, math, social studies, and science classes each week, related arts classes are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please review your virtual schedule for the specific time. In addition, Tuesdays and Thursdays should be used for students to schedule small group tutoring and help with your teacher if you need assistance with any subject. Please ask your teacher about time for tutoring and small groups. If you have taken a class assessment and made a low grade, you must schedule office hour time with your teacher for reteaching before a retest can be assigned. Effective Tuesday, September 1st, 2020, please address questions or concerns as follows. 5th and 6th grade families, please see Ms. Rand, Executive Principal at shara.rand@mmps.org. 7th and 8th grade families, please see Ms. Tracy Patton, Assistant Principal at tracy.patton@mmps.org for any questions or concerns. We will follow this procedure until our new Dean of Students has been identified. Don't forget, students, math assessments are this week. Log into your PLT time to begin your testing session. Having trouble with your technology families? In-person technology help is here. From August 31st until September 18th from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m., in-person technology help will be offered at 5 locations around Nashville. The closest location to Isaacwood Middle School is at Jerry Baxter Middle School, located at 350 Hart Lane. Don't forget to be safe when you go to attend one of these centers. Masks must be worn and your temperature will be checked. They will offer you assistance with hotspots, technology, or logging into Schoology or other learning platforms. Parents, we do need your help. The 2021 Student Handbook Permissions must be signed by September 8, 2020. Do this by logging on to www.mmps.org/handbook. Click Permission Portal. Don't forget, Isaacwood Middle School-wide morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Videos are available on Remind or on the library website at www.ilmslibrary.com. Our next RANDS Roundtable will be Thursday, September 3rd from 4 p.m. until 5 p.m. Parents, please review Remind for the updated login instructions. 5th graders, the Isaacwood Middle School Band still needs you. It's not too late to join. If you would like, please email samantha.davenport@mmps.org. Our I3 STEM Club is up and running. We will start meeting at 4 p.m. twice a week very soon. If you are interested, please see Ms. Donaldson or Dr. Westby. Parents, if you are interested in the NASA Hybrid After School program, please review the information on the Martha O'Brien website for more information. The program does launch on September 8th. We are still providing meals to all families from 11:30 to 1 o'clock every day here at the school. We're also delivering them through our bus routes. For more information, please call 615-259-INFO. Interested in joining the GSA? The GSA will be continuing virtually this year. Join the Schoology group or email Ms. Garrett at catherine.garrett@mmps.org if you would like to participate. If you haven't already signed up for Remind, don't forget to download the Remind app on your smartphone or tablet to keep in contact with all the latest comings and goings at Isaac Litton Middle School. We're going to conclude with our mindful moment for today. Today's focus is self-management. Today's strategy is the 5-4-3-2-1 mindfulness trick. The 5-4-3-2-1 method is a common sensory awareness grounding exercise that many find helpful as a helpful tool to relax or get through difficult moments. Breathe, inhale. Think in your mind, name 5 things that you can see. Name 4 things that you can feel. Name 3 things that you can hear. Name 2 things that you can smell. Lastly, name 1 thing that you can taste. Remember this 5-4-3-2-1 mindfulness trick whenever you need to take a break. This concludes our morning meeting for Wednesday, September the 1st. Remember, students and families, if you have any questions or concerns, reach out to an admin, your teacher, or any trusted adult. Remember that you are loved.